Hi guys, good day. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Afton and today we'll be cooking some fried butterfish. But before we get started, I want to ask you guys to please subscribe to my channel and give my channel like a thumbs up, like the video. And also you can leave comment down below. Tell me like what other dishes you want me to cook or so. So let me show you my ingredients. So let's get started. Okay, this is the butterfish and my ingredients are green seasoning, the hot sauce with mustard, I have some breadcrumbs, I have some mango achar, some all-purpose seasoning, some fish seasoning, egg, I have some onion powder, paprika, thyme, and some garlic. So let me put my ingredients inside now. Alright, so I'm gonna put my ingredients now. We're gonna start with some green seasoning, and some mustard, pepper, some all-purpose seasoning. I'm trying not to shake too much. Okay, some all-purpose seasoning and some fish seasoning. Yeah, we're gonna also put the onion. Okay, we're gonna put some dry thyme and the paprika and the onion powder. Okay, we're gonna put some mango achar in it. This is the secret ingredients. When you put mango achar in your fish, oh my god, the fish tastes so lovely. Just try it, guys. I know it might sound weird, but you try it and comment below and tell me how it tastes. Okay, and then you're gonna mix all your ingredients inside. You're gonna mix it up good. Okay, my fish is well seasoned up and it's been laying here for about an hour or so. So I'm gonna show a little bit of egg in it so we can get that nice crispy. Okay, so everything is mixed up and now it's time to put it into the breadcrumbs like this, and then you put it into the flour and ting it up like that. So you take it out of the seasoning, put it in the breadcrumbs, and then into the flour mix. Again, take it out the seasoning, put it into the breadcrumbs, and then put it into the flour. Okay, my oil has been hotting for about 3 minutes, so it's time for me to put in my fish to fry. Also, I'm doing some fried plantains. If you can see it at the side there, I'm doing fried plantains. There's going to be some fish and chips. So my fish have been frying about 5 minutes now, so I keep churning it over all the time. And one set of plantain finish and the other set is frying there. Hi guys, quick update. I think the last time I filmed I was taking out the fish out of the pan or so, but quick update. My son had to go to school, so he was running late, so he gone with most of the fish and almost all of the plantains, so I didn't get time to video that. But I do have some more fish, so I'm gonna just continue filming so you guys would see the finished fish, but you wouldn't really see plantain because I don't really have any. My son gone with all. Okay, so let's continue with the video now. Just wanted you guys to know. Okay, this is my second set of fish now. I'm gonna put in the pan. Oh, to fry. This is the second set of fish. Like I just told you guys, I don't really have plantain leaf back because my son had to go to school. He had tests, so he gone with most of them. So the fish are frying here. Okay, my fish is finished, so I'm gonna drain it out and put it in the pan. God, it smells so good. See, with the achar, this gives it a nice smell. So it's all finished here. Let me turn off my stove. Okay, so my fish is done. See how nice and crispy it is. And like I told you before, my son gone with most of the plantains, so just this little bit leaf back here. But this is my fish and chip, guys. I hope you guys enjoy my recipe. And please give my video a thumbs up and leave any comment down below. And also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Stay blessed.